Oh, hi, I'm Faye.
Hello, I'm Fluffy, and today we're learning to be more kind with all of our friends.
We're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly, read the house down.
Okay. Why was 6 afraid of 7?
I don't know.
Because 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness, it's so funny.
Wait, where's Faye?
Fluffy!
Oh.
Where are you? We have to get started. Where are you? Oh. You're already here.
Oh, it's Faye. Hi, Faye.
Hi. You started the show without me.
Well, Kara got here a little bit early, and so we thought we'd come out and hang out with our friends and entertain them with some honey fun.
Oh, I got another one. Okay, what kind of tree fits in your hand?
A tiny tree.
Close, a palm tree.
Hey, why aren't you laughing?
Well, I guess it was funny. I don't know.
What's going on over there?
Do you really want to know?
Of course, you can always share your feelings with us.
Okay, it might seem a little bit silly, but you had already started the show without me. It kind of made me feel left out.
That's not silly at all. I should have come to get you. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Fluffy. I understand what you were doing, and I appreciate your apology.
Well, I'm sorry too, Faye. I was just so excited to be here with both of you and with all your friends.
That's so kind of you, Kara.
Oh, well, it's important to be kind and respectful to your friends, right?
Yes!
Sometimes when I'm feeling down and someone's kind to me, it turns my whole day around.
That's so true. Hey, maybe we can think of some ways that we can be kind to Faye to make her feel better, to make it up to her.
Friends.
Yeah, how about we make her a big cake? I'll have like a lot of her favorite colors and like all her favorite things.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
She loves cake.
I love cake.
And the sparkles, sprinkles, and
Yes.
sparkles, faces.
Oh my goodness, this feels so amazing.
And a
Thank you,
flower.
friends. And a flower.
A flower on top.
Yeah. Hey, wait, I have a really great idea. Why don't we all start the show together?
Shucks, friends. I think that's a fabulous idea. Shall we go and get started again?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Wait
Okay.
right there, friends.
Pretend that you didn't see us yet. We're gonna like do TV magic.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Fluffy.
Have you met our new friend, Kara?
Hi, Kara.
Hi, everyone.
We've totally hit the nail right on the head.
Consider the show started.
Yes.
Good job, everyone.
Yeah.
Woo, woo, woo.
Fluffy buddy.
Guess what, buddy? I finished all my chores early today, so I'm taking you on an extra long adventure this afternoon. But before we go, let's make sure you're hydrated. I also packed your favorite snacks, so if you get hungry, I got you covered. Oh, and I also brought your booties to wear. It's a beautiful day, but I'm worried the sidewalk might be too hot for your little paws. Buddy, what are you counting for? You're counting acts of kindness? Oh, you are too sweet. I just want to make sure my best buddy is taken care of. Oh, kindness kisses, my favorite.
Hello, my name is Alice. I'm 5 years old. At home, I help my mom with the laundry. It feels good to help someone when they need us. I like helping my mom because it makes me happy and my mom too.
Shall we do our settle down song?
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's book is Choose Kindness by Ruth Ohi, published by Scholastic.
This is Bunny feeling small, not wanting to leave the bed at all.
That's me in the morning.
Yeah, me too.
That's Faye in the morning, too. Grump, said Bunny. Time to wake up, says Dad.
So somehow Bunny manages, barely. Bunny has breakfast. Bunny gets dressed.
Bunny goes out the door. Have a good day, says Dad. I love you.
This is Beetle, basically bored. Beetle wiggles, Beetle woggles, Beetle feels ignored.
Then along comes Bunny. I'm gonna fly to the moon, says Bunny. Oh, me too, says Beetle. Now look at their expression.
They're happy.
Yeah.
Definitely.
This is Martin, feeling left out, shy and nervous and full of doubt.
But along come Beetle and Bunny. Nice hideout, says Beetle.
This is Wren, who loves ballet. Wren thought it was pajama day. Womp womp, but it wasn't.
Then along come Martin and Beetle and Bunny. Great idea, says Martin.
This is Lemming, who forgot her lunch. She has nothing to snack on, chew, or crunch.
Then along come Wren and Martin and Beetle and Bunny. Care for some kale, says Wren. Look, Wren has a whole bag of kale to share.
This is Bear, lost in thought. He can't remember what he forgot.
Then along come Lemming and Wren and Martin and Beetle and Bunny. Did you make this, Bear? Says Lemming. It's wonderful. Can we help put it up? Just wait.
I'm so excited.
We're gonna get to see Bear's art, and it's very exciting.
Wow. Choose kindness. And look at how happy everyone is. That's amazing.
Can we all say that together? Choose
kindness.
That's beautiful.
This is the party of those who cared, those who bothered, who tried and shared. And each and every one made a difference.
Would you like to join us? Says Lemming. And that, friends, was Choose Kindness.
It's amazing how the simple act of one person being kind to somebody else can impact so many people. Isn't it incredible?
Yeah!
Did you all enjoy hearing the story shared today?
Did you all enjoy practicing acts of kindness today?
How are you feeling now, Faye?
You know what? I feel so amazing. Random acts of kindness really go a long way.
Oh, speaking of which, I have a song about kindness. Do you want to hear it?
Yes, please!
Okay, only because you were all so polite, all right?
Awesome.
Let's do this. Being nice to your neighbor on the street, or the caterpillar underneath your feet,
Don't step on me.
to your sister, your cousin, and your brother. Consider the feelings of one another. Oh, kindness, it's the only way. It's the only way. Lifting each other up to the sky, helping each other rise. Oh, if you can choose to be kind. Do you want to sing it together? Kindness, it's the only way. It's the
love you all so much, and we're so grateful that you got to spend today with us.
Remember to care.
Remember to be kind.
And remember to read. See you next time.